Okay, so now we're going to talk about how you know what's wrong. So if for some reason the motor stops going, your footrest isn't working, the back's not going, the power headrest isn't working, somehow you don't have power, here's a couple of easy things to check to know what you might need to replace. So really 4 things on this lift chair here. Obviously we have a remote. That's one of the things that could go wrong. If for some reason you've lost lights, you don't have any power here, then you can know that there's an issue with the remote. If for some reason, say one of the motors is still working, so your power headrest is still working, but the footrest is not working, you can know that probably it might be a motor issue. So if we come around the back, I'm going to show you some of the things that exist in this chair. So first of all, we have a battery here on the floor because we float this chair. Put it right here on its face easily. So the battery is how we've powered this. But in this particular Socozi lift chair here, what we have is we have 2 motors, right? So we got a back motor and we have the base motor. And then inside of here, if we move this up here, right here, you can see in here, you have a Socozi junction box. And then up in here, you can't really see, but there's a power headrest motor in there. So it's either going to be the power headrest motor, the junction box in here, or one of these 2 motors, right? And that's how we can kind of figure it out and know from the remote. We sell all of these different replacement pieces we have, and we can get to you. One other important thing is if you're not exactly sure what your chair is, if you look on the back of this chair right here, there's 2 labels. This label over here will actually tell us the model of the chair. And so if we need to get any parts for it, we know exactly what style number you